Web design isn't just about looks. It's about future-proofing your ROI. That's why Google has introduced new rules for the modern business. Slow and unsafe, low score. Fast and secure, high score. Higher scores mean more rewards, bigger jumps in rank, and stronger conversions. That's why Atlas puts special code schemas to work, guaranteeing 100% on best practices, accessibility, and SEO, with over 90% on performance. Real liftoffs are only possible with meticulous coding. No website builder comes close. Web design isn't art class, it's rocket science. Let Atlas build your rocket so you can launch with confidence.